Every gold coin begins here, deep within the earth, where precious metal waits to be transformed.
Tons of raw ore must be extracted to yield just ounces of pure gold. The journey from raw earth to refined gold begins with this crucial transport. Inside these walls, ancient rock will become modern currency. Massive crushers reduce tons of ore to processable fragments. Each crushing cycle brings us closer to liberating the precious metal within. Kilometers of conveyor systems keep the production flowing continuously. Multiple crushing stages ensure optimal gold liberation from the host rock. Precise screening ensures each particle receives the exact processing it needs. Strategic stockpiling maintains steady feed rates for the hungry grinding mills ahead. Inside this rotating giant, gold particles are finally freed from their ancient stone prison. Powerful pumps transport millions of gallons of gold-bearing slurry through the circuit daily. Cyclonic separation concentrates the finest particles where most free gold resides. Microscopic bubbles capture gold particles, floating them to the surface like tiny elevators.
This precious froth contains the concentrated gold we've been liberating from thousands of tons of ore.
Dewatering concentrates our gold product while recovering every drop of process water. Gravity does the heavy lifting in these massive thickeners, clarifying water and concentrating gold.
High-pressure filtration removes the last moisture, preparing concentrate for smelting.
Controlled heat removes the last moisture, preparing concentrate for the final refinement. Thousands of tons of ore reduced to these precious bags, ready for their transformation into pure gold. Every ounce of gold concentrate is tracked, guarded, and documented before its journey to the refinery. Armed escorts and armored transport protect this precious cargo worth millions per truckload. A carefully coordinated journey ensures this concentrated wealth reaches the refinery intact. Multiple security layers protect the refinery where concentrate becomes pure gold. Weight verified, batch 2407G. Every kilogram is verified, sampled, and documented before processing begins.
Advanced metallurgical testing determines the exact gold content of each batch.
Extreme heat separates gold from impurities in this centuries-old metallurgical technique.
Sample 24007-G, button weight 24.7 grams. Within these small metallic...
The cupellation furnace strips away base metals, leaving only precious gold and silver.
Tint. Batch 2407G approved for smelting, 38.4% AU. With gold content
In this cathedral of metallurgy, concentrate will surrender its gold through ancient fire. Precise recipes of concentrate and flux ensure optimal gold recovery in the smelting process.
The induction furnace awakens, preparing to melt everything to separate gold from impurities.
Wordt even length of 100 guard full down gas effort 4 degrees faster formation DL spread excinelant full induction generates heat with earned cathode.
Careful tapping separates worthless slag from the precious metal layer below. This molten doré metal contains the accumulated gold from tons of processed ore.
As the metal cools, crystalline gold forms the foundation of each doré bar. Each rough doré bar contains 85 to 95% gold, ready for final purification.
Cleaning reveals the precious metal beneath, preparing bars for precise documentation.
Protected by multiple security layers, these doré bars await final refining into pure 0.9999 fine gold.
In the electrolysis department, doré metal will surrender its impurities atom by atom.
Anode batch 2407 GA ready, 120 pieces.
Cast into precise anode plates.
Easy, steady, aligned. Anodes and cathodes suspended in gold-bearing solution await the electric current that will purify.
Electric current drives gold atoms from impure anodes to pure cathode deposits. Cathodes in cells 1 through 4, ready for harvest. Target thickness achieved. Cathodes emerge wearing coats of 99.99% pure gold, ready for final processing. Thorough rinsing ensures no impurities contaminate our pure gold product.
Cathode C317 yielding 11.4 kilograms. Excellent deposit.
Stripped from cathodes, this crystalline gold has reached 90.
Quality verification confirms electrolytic refining achieved 4 nines purity, 99.99% pure gold.
Pure gold melts cleanly without flux, ready to be cast into final coin blanks. Batch 2407 GB, 240 blanks cast, 7.465 kilograms total. Blank 2407 GB087, diameter 32.68 millimeters. Controlled heating relieves casting stresses, preparing gold for the extreme pressures of minting.
Edge milling batch 2407 GB progressing, 180 completed. Precision milling creates perfectly circular blanks ready for the stamping press.
Immaculate cleanliness ensures flawless coin surfaces for minting perfection.
Burnishing creates the perfect surface texture for receiving intricate coin designs under high pressure. Upsetting forms protective rims that will safeguard the coin's design for generations. After meticulous preparation, these pristine gold blanks are ready for transformation into coins.
Strike complete. Design transfer excellent. Proceeding with production run. Rigorous quality control ensures only the finest coins reach collectors worldwide.
Batch 2407 GC certified complete, 238 coins, average grade proof 69.2, documentation finalized, released to packaging.
Packaging shift commencing. Batch 2407-GC entering production.
The Tibus. Batch 2407 GC. 65 capsules verified, proceeding. Each encapsulated.
Presentation box 2407 GC127 assembled. All components verified. Multi-layered security features protect both coin and collector from counterfeiting. Batch 2407-GC database finalized, all 238 coins fully traceable, blockchain integration.
Daily inventory reconciliation complete, vault contents match database exactly, 1,847 coins in secure storage.
Processing 47 done domestic orders and 12 international orders for tomorrow's dispatch. All payments verified.
International shipments, batch 47-INT, cleared for export, all documentation complete, 12 packages to 8 countries. Secure carrier dispatch begins each coin's final journey from mint to collector.
Wow, this is beautiful. The detail is incredible.
From deep within the earth to collectors' hands worldwide.
Professional photography captures every minute detail, showcasing the coin's artistry for worldwide marketing. Digital platforms connect collectors worldwide with authentic gold coins through secure online marketplace.
Instagram post reached 47,000 accounts, engagement rate 8.4%, excellent performance. YouTube video at 12,000 views in 48 hours.
I've purchased gold from several mints, and this is by far the highest quality coin I've received, and the proof finish is absolutely stunning.
Authentication app version 1.0 submitted to Apple App Store and Google Play Store, pending approval. For Swimdus. Blockchain provides transparent verification that no centralized data can match. Each coin's
Welcome to our booth. Would you like to see our new pure gold proof coin?
This coin represents our commitment to innovation.
Q4 dealer allocation complete. 138 authorized dealers. Projected volume 2,400 coins through retail channel.
Independent third-party grading provides objective quality validation, enhancing collector confidence and market value.
Gold coins serve as tangible wealth preservation within diversified investment portfolios for long-term financial security. How quickly could I sell these if needed? St. Clements. Gold spot up $18 today on Fed commentary. Proof coin premiums holding steady 10 to 12%. Low pop.
I can't believe the detail in the design. Sharing my photos now.
Collector organizations foster community, education, and shared passion, uniting numismatists across generations. Museum exhibitions preserve numismatic heritage, while inspiring new generations of collectors and appreciators.
Notice the die polish lines radiating from center. Genuine coins show these characteristics from die preparation.
I see what you mean about the edge reading pattern.
During the 2008 crisis, while stock markets declined 50%, gold appreciated 25%.
Rigorous grading education creates expertise, professionalizing coin evaluation, and protecting market integrity.
Scientific conservation ensures gold coins survive centuries, maintaining beauty and value for future generations.
Fair warning, last chance at $6,200, selling now. Sold for $6,200 to Paddle 312.
This hybrid approach combines the security of physical ownership with the convenience of digital verification.
I bought this one in 1985 for $450. It's worth $4,200 now.
The stepped-up basis and inheritance means your